I'm going to say adios for now. I think I just turned it on. That's usually the way, isn't it, little bird? Usually think you're running and you're not. So maybe, just maybe, we'll meet again. You're gonna fly. Anytime you're gonna fly, aren't you? You're getting ready to fly. There. Whoa, that was good. That was a good attempt. It sure was. Sure was. Little bird. Yeah, you going somewhere? Where you gonna go? You're gonna find someplace to go, huh? There's your little house there. I'll hang you up in a tree and bring you worms and water. Would you like that? Yeah. Here. Good girl. Where are you? Somewhere. There you are. That's a nice shot. Such a pretty shot. Let's get you out here in the sun. Get out in the sun. There we go. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Pretty bird. There. Lucy, you want to say hello to the bird? The little bird's getting ready to fly, Lucy. Did you know that? The little bird's going to fly. Remember you found little bird? Remember finding little bird? Remember finding little bird? Yeah, it's little bird. Yeah, Lucy found little bird in the cemetery. Sure did. There we go. Found little bird in the cemetery last Sunday. Yeah. Sure did. Found little bird in the cemetery. Would you like to sit on a limb of a tree? How would you like to sit there for a while? Huh? What do you think about that? It makes a nice shot. You can sit right there on the tree. Oh, you're going to sit on me. Okay, that's all right. I think our video camera is running out of battery life, so we'll turn it off for a while. Go back here and tell you what, we will get back in our little box here for a while. How about that? How about that? Get back in our little box for a while and we'll just prop it up there so that you can get some air and you're in the shade and yeah, very good. Yeah. We'll see you later, little bird.